Hi guys, it's Miss Lisa, and it's been a very, very, very long time since we were outside for porch time, story time, but it is starting to get a little bit cooler, so I decided to come back out on the porch and read you some more books. This is called We Forgot Brock, and it is by Carter Goodrich. We Forgot Brock. Okay, let's see if we remember how to do this. This is Philip and Brock. They are best friends, and they spend all their time goofing around together. The weird thing is, nobody else could see Brock. Everybody calls him Philip's imaginary friend, whatever that means. At dinner, Philip might say something like, "Brock would like some more, please." But his mom only pretends to give Brock seconds. Or sometimes in the driveway, Philip yells, "Wait, Dad, Brock has to move his chopper." "Please ask Brock to hurry up," Philip's dad would say. Look at it. Look at his face. "Oh, please ask Brock to hurry up." Brock can also be very, very funny. But Philip's parents never seem to get it. One evening, the whole family piled into the car and headed out to the big fair. "Brock wants to ride in the brain shaker," said Philip. "Tell Brock the brain shaker is a big kid's ride," said his dad. At the big fair, Philip and Brock rode the merry-go-round first, then the bumper cars, and then the tilt-a-whirl. Philip got some cotton candy, but Brock did not want any. He only liked beans and spaghetti. Finally, after the Ferris wheel, Philip got sleepy. But Brock was not sleepy at all. It was time to ride the brain shaker. Philip woke up as soon as the car pulled into the driveway. "Where's Brock?" he yelled. Then he ran inside to see if maybe Brock was already home, but he wasn't. "We forgot Brock," Philip sighed and sobbed. "We forgot Brock." Back at the big fair, Brock could not find Philip. He went back on the Ferris wheel for a better view, but he could not see Philip anywhere. "Are you okay?" somebody asked from above. Brock said he was lost and that he wanted to go home. "My name is Anne," said the little girl, "and this is Princess Sparkledust. Would you like to come home with us?" So Princess Sparkledust, Anne, and Brock all went home together. The next day, Princess Sparkledust and Anne found Brock sitting all by himself. He was missing Philip very much. They did magic tricks to cheer him up. Then the three of them began to invent games and tell each other stories. Meanwhile, Philip spent the day looking for Brock. He searched everywhere, but he just couldn't find him. He even put up a sign on the tree, "Lost Brock." Just as Brock was beginning to have a lot of fun, he remembered how much he missed Philip. And just as Philip was about to give up his search, Brock! Brock introduced Philip to his new friends, Anne and Princess Sparkledust. From then on, Philip, Brock, Anne, and Princess Sparkledust all became best friends. They spent all their time goofing around together. And everything was even better than before. The end. I hope you liked that one. I'm Miss Lisa, and I will see you next time for more Porch Time Story Time. Bye-bye. Press the button.